All right, so I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a broken clasp on the little Viper pepper spray bracelet. So this is something that we come across when we're actually assembling the bracelets and preparing them for retail or for packaging for shipments and stuff. If you happen to have this problem where like the clasp comes out or tears through the band, this is easily fixable. So we've got a couple metal pieces. We've got like the little clasp piece here, and then we've got the piece that holds everything together. This is all one piece. So this does come out. Just takes a little bit of force, but in order to fix this, all you got to do is make sure that this is oriented correctly. And then you're just going to pop this back in here. And then what I would do is I would actually take some pliers. And all you got to do is, well, actually in this case you actually don't have to do that, but just hold this piece and just pop it back in here. And then you'll want to put the metal piece back on. And just kind of hold it down, because these two pieces at the end are going to come together. And then just make sure it's secure. That's good. And then bam, there you go. All good as new. So yeah, easy fix. Just use a pair of pliers to take the metal piece off and readjust it if you need to do that. Clip it off, pop it back on, and then you're good to go.